Major explosion at Gaomi Yudao chemical plant. Major explosion at Gaomi Yudao chemical plant. On May 27, 2025, a significant blast occurred at the Gaomi Yudao Chemical Company facility in Weifang, Shandong Province, China. The explosion resulted in at least 5 fatalities, 19 injuries, and 6 individuals reported missing. Extensive emergency response. Over 230 firefighters and 55 emergency vehicles were dispatched to combat the ensuing fire and conduct rescue operations. The explosion's impact was felt up to 7 kilometers away, with windows shattered within a 3-kilometer radius. Facility's background and safety record. The plant, employing over 500 workers, specializes in producing chemicals for pesticides and medical applications. Despite previous citations for safety risks, the facility was commended in 2024 for rectifying over 800 hazards. Environmental concerns and precautions. Local environmental authorities initiated air quality monitoring following the explosion. Residents were advised to wear masks as a precautionary measure against potential toxic emissions. Ongoing investigation into explosion cause. The exact cause of the explosion remains under investigation. Authorities are working to determine the factors leading to the incident and to locate the missing individuals. Highlighting industrial safety challenges. This incident underscores persistent safety challenges within China's industrial sector. In 2024 alone, the country reported 21,800 industrial incidents resulting in 19,600 deaths, prompting calls for stricter safety regulations and enforcement.